Jai Shivaya Namaste. Hey everyone, today I want to talk about something super important but often confusing taxes. The tax system in India and the United States. If you have ever wondered which system works better for middle class families, this video is for you. Let's break it all down together. Let's start with how taxes are structured. Both India and the US use progressive tax system, which means the more you earn, the higher the percentage you are taxed. But the way they apply these rules is pretty different. In India, we have fixed tax slabs. For example, if you earn up to 2.5 lakh a year, you don't pay any tax. That's nice, right? Between 2.5 and rupees 5 lakh, it's 5%. From rupees 5 lakh to 10 lakh, it jumps to 20%, and anything above rupees 10 lakh gets taxed at 30%. Now these slabs haven't really changed much over the years, and here's the catch: inflation keeps rising, but these numbers don't. So what might have felt like a decent salary a few years ago now falls into higher tax bracket. That's what they call bracket creep. Now let's talk about the US tax system. The US system also has a brackets, but they adjust these for inflation every year. For example, up to about $10,000, it's at 10%. From $10,000 to 40,000, you pay 12%. Then it's 22% up to $86,000 and so on. This adjustment or inflation means you are less likely to be taxed more just because the cost of living went up. It's a small but significant difference. Let's talk about how this affects the middle class families. In India, because the tax slabs don't change, middle class families often find themselves paying more over time. Plus, add in other expenses like rising living and cost. It feels like you are being squeezed. In the US, while the federal system adjusts for inflation, there are other things to consider like state tax, healthcare, and housing costs. They can vary a lot depending on where you live. Now both countries offer ways to save on taxes. In India, you have deductions like under Section 80C, where you can invest in things like PPF or ELSS to reduce your taxable income. The US has deduction too for things like mortgage interest and student loans. And they also have tax credits like the earned income tax credit, which directly reduces the tax you owe. One big difference is in social security and retirement. In the US, payroll taxes funds social security, which provides a safety net for retirees. India is improving in this area, but the coverage isn't as wide as reliable yet. So which system is better for the middle class? Honestly, it depends. If you are looking at just tax brackets, the US seems a bit more middle class friendly because of inflation adjustment. But when you consider other factors like healthcare cost and state taxes, it gets more complicated. In India, while the tax slabs might feel outdated, there are ways to save through deductions and investments. However, the lack of inflation adjustment does hurt the middle class over time. What do you think? Which system do you feel works better for middle class families? Let me know in the comments, and if you found the discussion helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.